How to deprogram and program a new key fob into the Visonic Complete. First of all, press the Show button to use a setting. Press OK, enter user code, use the Forward button to enroll key fob. Press OK. Forward to the key fob that you wish to delete that's been lost or stolen. Press OK. Then press the off to delete. To program the new key fob in, press OK, transmit now, and a new key fob has been programmed into the Visonic Complete panel and the old key fob will no longer work. Press the Home button to exit the menu.